Have you ever wondered how the appliances found in your kitchen are made and where they come from? As baking is back in fashion, we are here today in China visiting a factory that produces hundreds of thousands of high-quality stand mixers as well as meat grinders from all over the world. If you're interested to know how these products are made, or if you're interested to import these products into your country, this video is for you. Hey everyone, I'm Joel from Virtuous Inspection Service and welcome to Factory Asia. We audit thousands of factories every year and showcase them online. Today, we are here in Zhongshan, South China to visit Link Plus, which is one manufacturer that produces meat grinders as well as stand mixers to all over the world. Guangdong Link Plus Electric Appliance Industrial Company has over 10 years of manufacturing and export experience in electric kitchen appliances such as stand mixers and meat grinders. They are on the top 1 position for the meat grind export in China. Over 90% of Link Plus products are exported, so we can see that both appearance and function design of electric kitchen appliances meet the needs of the overseas customers, especially from Europe and North America. Link Plus has the ISO 9001 certificate and all its products comply with CE and RoHS standards. The factory designs, produces and tests them internally and has already gained over 10 patents for product designs. How are different designs made? And how can the factory guarantee the long life and stable quality of the products? We'll take you around the key departments to find out the answers. Initial product creation starts right here at the Research and Development department, where engineers design 3D drawings of the product based on the customer's requirements or sample. The factory has a strong team for research and development. After the drawings are complete, they will make the prototype by 3D printers for the plastic components.
A 3D printer can make the plastic components very fast. It only needs a few hours or 1 day to get most of the prototypes ready, which before we needed 3 to 7 days to outsource them. The cost of prototyping is now much cheaper. It's 30 to 40% less cost compared with outsourced prototypes.
So after the prototype is ready and approved by the customer, the drawings of the product will be sent to the mold subcontractor to make the molds for production. Once it's ready, it's then sent to the injection workshop. So we start today's tour here at the injection room, where every plastic piece of the product is made. Every day, each one of these machines can make up to 1,600 pieces. So per month, all these 15 machines can make up to 700,000 pieces per month. After the mold arrives here at the factory, they are placed into the injection machine, and the raw material is put into the injection machine, where the operator will check each piece, cover it, and send to the printing room, where the logos will be placed in each one of these plastic pieces. So we're here now at the printing room, where the plastic pieces will be printed and sent to the heating chamber, where each piece will take approximately 3 minutes to be fully dried. After it's fully dried, they'll cover again and send to the assembly line, where you're going next. It is the execution of details that make the difference. In order to avoid the scratch on the components, Link Plus uses a lot of customized cloth covers in the exact shape of the parts, so to give a very good protection. This work is repeated in different steps of the production process, but what impresses us is the fact that this is carried out since the very beginning of production as a preventive measure. Smart move. So we arrived here at one of the factory's assembly workshop to show you the steps that are taken to put together the mixes that this factory produces. The assembly lines are divided into 3 parts, and each one of these parts will be exploring out. There are 65 workers only in the stand mixer assembly workshop. The factory's got other 4 different assembly lines for the production of other kitchen appliances, and a total of 200 workers. But the process of all assembly lines here are similar one another, and thereby all methods you see now works as well for the assembly of meat grinders, hand blenders, and portable mixers. First part is the internal components assembly, where it starts with the gear being screwed on the motor and the rubber sucker feet being assembled on the base of the mixer. The holder for belt wires, the belt, connector, anti-friction bearing, long shaft bearing, gears, motor, switch knob, heat shrinkable brush will then be assembled in the upper part of the mixer by the workers that belong to internal component assembly line. There are about 15 workers working in the team. After the components are assembled, all the semi-finished products will be delivered to the completion assembly line. There are 30 workers here to perform the assembly. The workers will start the installment of micro switch, the upper gear, and so on. After placing the motor case, the workers will perform an inline process inspection to ensure the assembled parts were placed correctly. The worker will finish assembling the PCBA, juicer connector, the wheel, the cables, the cover, and so on. Then finally the upper and under part of the mixer will be assembled together so the whole unit is ready. After the assembly, the whole production will pass through the final quality control. Factory keep a big team for quality control, and there are 8 inline inspectors to perform the related quality control work. Firstly, the quality inspector will conduct the high pull test, function check, and shaking check, as well as check the power of the motor and check if the noise is within the decibels limit. Then the next inspectors perform a visual check while cleaning the unit to be certain that 100% of production will be shipped with no dirt or damage on surface, and to ensure that all related accessories will not be missing. So here's the final process of the assembly line, where the products will be put into poly bags along with manuals and other accessories, then put into cartons where labels and shipping marks will be stamped onto it, and then sent to the warehouse where the products is going to reach all over the world. Link Plus not only pays attention to the quality control during the production process, but also performs strict quality tests on its finished products in the quality control room. They randomly select certain quantity of mixes from the mass production according to related AQL and conduct various tests there. So we're here now at one of the most important places at the factory, which is the quality control room. And we are here with Mr. Chen, who is the quality manager here at Link Plus, to tell us how quality is managed here at Link Plus. Mr. Chen, thank you. Could you please show us how quality is managed here at Link Plus?
Firstly, we will do the high temperature test in 60 degrees Celsius for 48 hours, and then put them into the low temperature chambers in -20 degrees Celsius for 48 hours as well. The functions and safety of the products must not be affected after these tests. Here, the metal parts of the products are put in a salt spray machine, and 5% salt water will be sprayed on them for 48 hours. No rust marks should be present after this test. Once these environment simulation tests are done, the mixers will go to the running test room. First, the container is filled with water and the unit will be running for 1 hour. Then the container will be filled with flour to simulate the real use. The units will be running for 5 minutes and off for 15 minutes. This process will be repeated 20 times. After the product passes all above tests, the goods will then be approved to be sent to customers.
Today, we also have a talk with the sales manager here at Link Plus, Ms. Jasmine Lai, who will be answering the questions that many of you may want to ask. Jasmine, thanks for having us here today and opening the doors of the factories for us.
Thank you very much for interview.
You're welcome. Jasmine, after the comprehensive tour that we had here at Link Plus today that you've given us, it's clear that quality is one of your strengths here at Link Plus. Would you please tell us what are the other highlights that your factory can offer, to buyers overseas?
Well, I think we have many highlights, but I will tell you 3. And the first one is we have rich experience in manufacturing the electric kitchen appliance. And for example, our meat grinder is in the first position for the export. And the second one is that we have a long-term and stable cooperative relationship with many international brands, like Mondelez, Hamilton Beach, and so on. And the third one is that I think we have strong R&D team and the laboratory.
That's very impressive that you cooperate with those 2 brands, they're top brands. Jasmine, our second question is, what are the major markets that Link Plus have been selling products to, and what are the top selling products?
Okay, our main market is the Europe and North America, and our top seller product is our meat grinder, but our stand mixer is also developed step by step. And the top brand we cooperated with in North America is Hamilton Beach, and Monolith is in Europe.
That's indeed very impressive. Jasmine, our last question is there are many different steps that we can see here at the manufacturer, but from your point of view, what is the main manufacturing process or what is the most important manufacturing process that you consider from your point of view?
Yes, we think that our company control every step very well, but I think the spirit is the quality control. As you can see, we have 3 steps for the quality control. The first step is for the rough material. When the rough material comes back to our company from the supplier, we will have an incoming inspection. And when the goods produced online, we will have the online inspection and the finished good inspection too. And so our products always under good reputation for its good quality and survive. So I'm very proud of our QC lab.
You must be, you must be. Okay, Jasmine, this is the end of our interview. Thank you very much for having us here today and opening the doors of the factory, and wish you good business. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time and visit us and have a good interview. Thank you.
Likewise, thank you. So this is the end of our tour here today at Link Plus. One of the reasons we learned that why they are a very famous factory is that first, their R&D department is very well experienced and strong. They have 2 3D printers, which makes prototyping more efficient as well as with lower cost. Second is their quality control system. They control quality at every single step of production process, and their laboratory, their QC laboratory is very well equipped as well as very experienced. Last but not least, they are the #1 exporter of meat grinders from China, according to China Customs, which makes their reputation in the industry very high. So we are giving them 5 stars out of 5 for their outstanding performance as well as their reputation. A big thanks to Link Plus for having us here today, and thank you very much for joining our tour today here in Zhongshan. If you like this type of videos and wanted to see where you're going next, click like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. See you.